Hi everyone, I'm G, short for Gitani. I'm so glad you've made space to join me for this Clarity Sprint. I know what it took to protect this hour. Schools tend to favor output, and thinking time is not often rewarded. So the fact that you're here means you already understand something important. Communication isn't the thing we do between the real work. It is the real work. Here's what we're really talking about today. Every time you send an email, post an update, or announce a policy change, you're not just transmitting information. You're designing an experience. And right now, most of us are designing suboptimal experiences, not because we're careless, but because we are designing blind. We create in one context and our community receives in another. We imagine our message traveling down clean, logical pathways when it's actually bouncing through a network we can't see. Let me show you what I mean. If I asked to see your school's communication system, you would probably pull up an org chart. Clean boxes, straight lines, everyone knows their place. And it's useful for understanding reporting structures, but it tells you absolutely nothing about how information actually moves through your building. That org chart shows authority, but it doesn't show flow. Real schools run on conversations, not hierarchies. They run on the parent WhatsApp group that moves faster than your official channels, on the hallway conversations that changes a policy before the email even goes out, on the student who asks their friend instead of reading your carefully crafted instructions. This invisible network, the one that actually runs your school, this is what we need to map. Think of it like a subway system. Your org chart shows you who built the stations. But what we need to understand is, do the tracks actually connect? When you send information from point A, does it arrive intact at point B? Or does it get stuck at a transfer station because nobody knows which line to take? To make these hidden tracks visible, we are going to start by building your first map. On the screen now, you will see 3 distinct pathways tailored to your specific leadership role. Choose the track that matches your daily work and unlock the context you need to begin the sprint.